In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Nyetimber discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser right here, and you'll have to search for Nyetimber discount promo codes. Right here, scroll down a little bit and go to this website. And as you can see right here, we have some promo codes that we can use in order to get a discount. For example, right here, if you want to get this offer, all you have to do right here is select get code. And this is the promo code that you can copy right here and apply it on your next purchase so that you can get that discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website as you can see. Right here, we also have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. For example, if you want to get this one right here, simply select view trial codes. And as you can see, this is the promo code. You can simply tap right here to copy this promo code. And if you apply this one on your next purchase, you should be able to get that discount right here. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.